Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a little water flosser. So we're gonna open this up here and give this thing a little try here if we can. Might have to move over to the bathroom to try it in there, but we'll see what we can get going here. Sorry, I've got Velcro all over me. So here is the box. It's got a little picture of it kind of embossed in it, kind of nice. There's that. Here's the manual. Here is the device here. Very nice looking. Here's, I guess, the bunch of tips. The charger here, it looks like it's going to charge from USB to USB-C, which is nice. And that's all we got. So that's everything here. So let's take this out and look at it here. So here we are with the pieces and parts. So clearly this is going to be the water tank, and then it's going to squirt out through there. We have a little opening here to get it out. When we turn it on, looks like here we have our different levels of stuff. So there's 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 different levels of squirting. But let's go ahead and try to fill this thing. This is going to be interesting filling it here in my room with carpeting, but we'll get the idea here. Holds a lot of water, I'm surprised. Okay, so there it is. And it's got the little cover here. You can kind of see the little cover has a little rubber gasket on it. So when it's on, it's not gonna leak. That is nice to know. Okay, and here are the different tips. I'm just gonna open this up because we're gonna squirt it into here. I don't think you guys need to see me squirting it into my mouth. But okay, so let's open this up. How does this go? This way. So it looks like we have 3 different tips here. We have this one here with a little bit of bristles. I don't know if you can tell. It's got some bristles on it. This one here is just a plastic end, and this one here is a little pokey silicone end. So let's see what the different bristles ends do as we put them in. And I'm gonna say they're just gonna clip right in. There we go. So for fun, here, let's, oh yeah, the little ball goes that way so I can aim it this way. I'm gonna see if I can zoom you guys a little closer here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Here we go. So here it is. Let's see. There it is. So it's pulsing, and this is on 3. There's 1, and I can feel it. One's got some good. 2 is harder, and 3 is the hardest. So this one here is that little silicone tip. So that was that little rubbery one. So let's take that one off. Let's see, do you have to push a button to get it off? Yep, there's a little button back here to release it. So there's that one. Now let's try this one here. It's just a straight plastic tip. And let's see how that one goes. Oh, there's that. Yeah, that one's a more solid, strong one there. Man, look at that. That's beating up that water. That's got a really strong nozzle. That's for sure, that one. Okay, oh, I've got to push the button. Get that off. And then here is the one with the little brushes on it. I'm gonna guess this one's not gonna be as strong, but let's see. Yeah. So this one here, it's got some strength to it, you can see, but it also, if you rub it on your teeth, I guess you'll be able to get that going. So look at that. I had it going for a while, and we used up maybe a third of it. Not even, probably, because it gets way bigger at the bottom. So very cool. I'm gonna say this is a really nice flosser here. So if you need it, and it would be comfortable to hold as you're putting it in your mouth and stuff. So really good. So if you have braces or really anything you need a flosser for, this would be good. And it's nice the way it has, I didn't even take off the little plastic. I don't know. Is that satisfying? To me, it's not a big deal. But you get the idea. Very cool flosser, and really cool, really nice box. So this is it here. And it just says water flosser. Product is RF0001. So really cool and rechargeable and everything. So thumbs up for sure.